Top 5 most rare bird in the world. First, Spitz's macaw. Once vivid in Brazilian skies, habitat loss and trapping pushed it to near extinction, turning sightings into treasured moments. Second, kakapo. New Zealand's nocturnal parrot, facing habitat loss and predators, symbolizes resilience against human-induced challenges in nature. Third, California condor. Rebounding from the brink, this majestic bird's rarity echoes the struggles of wildlife amidst habitat destruction and human impact. Fourth, spoon-billed sandpiper. Racing across continents, habitat loss threatens this tiny shorebird's survival, highlighting the urgent need for global conservation efforts. Fifth, Madagascar pochard. Gliding through Malagasy wetlands, this rare duck's existence hangs in the balance, underscoring the fragility of biodiversity.